Hello YouTube, so today I'm going to show you how to unblock an outside drain, just like these ones outside. So these two gullies out here one's rainwater and the other one's off a flat roof. This one on the right is like a 6-inch drain that comes off the main roof, and the one on the left is a 4-inch drain that comes off of a flat roof nearby. So for this you're going to need a good solid bag like this one, and I've put a stone in it to weigh it down because it's a tiny bit blustery and you don't want to get yourself in a mess when doing this. So you want to remove the covers, get yourself a nice good pair of gloves like these. These are black mambas, which are very good, and you just got to get your hand in there. As you can see, it's full of leaves, stones, because it's on a gravel drive. People driving up over the years have been pushing the stones towards these grates going inside. So you get your hand in there, give it a good scoop. Do be careful, there can be sharp objects in there, so you just got to go easy and be willing to commit to it. So just keep doing this until you reach the bottom. Once you've reached the bottom, you'll feel it nice and smooth. That is the bottom of the gully, and you've successfully cleared your drain. So for now, I'm just going to speed this up because you don't want to watch it all the time. So this is in double speed, just clearing it, so you've got to keep on going. There was quite a lot in here. The customer did say that they'd recently had them checked and they were clear, but when I looked I could see that they were full to the top of water, which isn't normal. It's all because in their basement, just behind this wall inside the building, there was water coming through where the incoming main comes through, and they said it can't be this, it's got to be something else. So I checked, and I was just finding out what the problem actually was, and I'm convinced it was this, because no water was running away. These were completely blocked with sand and stones, so as you can imagine, it was completely blocked. So with all that removed, this left-hand drain also needs clearing out. So the left and the right are linked before they go to the main drain. So I've got my hand in there, and look at all this sand and yucky stuff that I've pulled out. This is like off the roof, grinded down of stones, just general stuff. So you just got to get yourself right in there, get involved, scoop it all out, put it in your bag. You don't want this going back down the drain. So there you go, removed all that, taken a few photos to show the customer, because you know they sometimes don't believe what you're saying, and he's already said that these have been checked, but obviously not. So with that cleared, I've then attached my hose from the van to the outside tap. Just going to turn that on, and I'm just going to test and wash through both gullies just to make sure that they're definitely clear, and it also helps remove any stuff from the bottom that you haven't got through, just to clear them through. So with that all flashed through, you're then happy with the result. You can put the gullies back and show the evidence to the customer that you've cleared their gullies and they're happy with the result. This main drain cleared, as you can see, it's running clear. This is a finished product. Hope this helps. Please like and subscribe for more thrilling content like this on this plumbing channel to help you. Have a good day.